shadows of the night. So baby, take my hand, it'll be alright. Surrender all your dreams to me tonight. They'll come true in the said, oh, world, it's a cold world.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oakland County Department of Emergency Management and Homeland Security. An immediate evacuation has been issued for all of Oakland County. At 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an asteroid with a diameter of 70 feet has been confirmed to be on a collision course with Oakland County. This asteroid is expected to impact in downtown Detroit in 2 days. You must evacuate as soon as possible. When evacuating, take food, water, medical supplies, identification and clothing. Tie a blue cloth to your mailbox to show that you have heeded the evacuation order. If you are elderly or disabled and are unable to evacuate, call 911 and you will be assisted. Do not call 911 without an actual emergency. A state of martial law has been issued for Oakland County. All crimes will result in immediate arrest. This emergency is no excuse for criminal activity. All roads and highways have been reserved for outbound traffic only. Speed limits on all roads have been raised to 90 miles per hour. Shelters have been established in neighboring counties by the National Guard. Proceed to these shelters immediately. If you are outside Oakland County, shelter in place immediately, and do not go outside until an all clear is given. Obey all instructions given by civil authorities. This message will repeat. The emergency alert system has been activated.